All y'all scrippers, y'all got to go. We taking over this club tonight. Lil Jon, these shot boys, hey, yeah, yeah. Let's get this thing crunk.
369, damn, yeah. Just sing it to me one more time. Roll, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. So clean, can she cut that question been harassing me in the mind? This girl is fine. I done came to the club out 50 limb time. Can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guard gonna swing me now. Play a drunk then a mug, threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see the females twerking. Taking her clothes off, ooh she naked. ATL shouted don't disrespect it. I put a pop your thing like this, cause yin yang twin and it's B.I. Lil Jon and the East Side boys with me. And we all like to see Tiggo business. So bring yourself over here, girl, and let me see you get low. If you want this dude, now take it to the floor. But if you wanna act, you can keep yourself where you at.
369.